Welcome to Baz Travels. After driving 14,826 kilometers through 24 states and Washington, D.C., I've seen rocket launches to the Grand Canyon and Hoover Dam. I've explored Route 66, ghost towns, deserts, snow, and beaches on both coasts. From Vegas casinos to Alcatraz, the White House to Hollywood. Join me for a journey of the ordinary and the extraordinary.
Loading destination. Simulation starting in 3, 2, 1. To look around, move your phone or tablet. Click and drag if on a computer or move your head if using a VR headset. Please like and subscribe.
Outside Paris, Las Vegas, the theming is immediately recognizable. The most dominant structure is the Eiffel Tower replica, built at approximately half the height of the original landmark in France. Its lattice metal design, painted finish, and lighting patterns recreate the appearance of the famous tower while adapting it for the Las Vegas skyline. The tower houses an observation deck and restaurant, but from the street it serves as a visual anchor of the entire resort. Near the tower sits a stylized version of the Arc de Triomphe, scaled down but still detailed with sculpted relief and stonework referencing the Paris original. The arch stands at the front of the property, serving as both a landmark and a dramatic entrance feature. Its placement and framing echo the ceremonial design of the monument in France, while fitting the proportions of the strip. One of the most recognizable exterior elements is the giant hot air balloon marquee, shaped and colored to resemble a French festival balloon. The balloon serves as the main casino sign, illuminated in patterns that match its decorative filigree and gold trim. It has become one of the most photographed signs in the area, symbolizing the resort as much as the Eiffel Tower replica itself. Along the frontage, the resort facade draws from a blend of French Renaissance and Parisian boulevard architecture. There are sculpted windows, decorative cornices, and ornamental balconies referencing the Haussmann-era buildings. Stone textures, archways, and symmetrical arrangements further reinforce the European theme. Even the placement of the fountains and planters outside is consistent with the classical Parisian garden aesthetic. This exterior creates a curated version of Paris, compressed into a single block of the strip. With the Eiffel Tower rising overhead, the Arc de Triomphe anchoring the corner, the hot air balloon marking the frontage, and the facades presenting a blend of Parisian styles, the outside of Paris Las Vegas stands as one of the strongest themed environments on the Las Vegas Boulevard.
Okay, well, we can wait. Oh, damn.
Simulation terminated. Please comment, like and subscribe.